Now the next thing we need to do is to extract the email. Okay, we need to extract the email content, the content of the email. So how do we do that? So we can now begin to extract the subject, the sender, and the email body. Okay, so for us to extract the subject, we'll do a subject like this. Let's have encoding. Remember, we need to change it from binary to what? To text. Okay, so encoding. So we are now doing decode. We call the decode header we import earlier, and then square bracket, and inside that square bracket, this is where we specify what we want. So here we are saying it should give us the subject, so we say subject like this. We can now specify where it should start from. So it should start from index 0. If is instance, then subject, then byte. We can now do subjects, and then we can now pass encoding, then we can print the subject. Okay, let's see. I'm going to run the code so that we'll know where we are. So what's the error? So before we continue, so I'll do subject. I will now do